I'm going to talk about light and dark mode. Now, a lot of students like the dark mode because it's a little easier on your eyes. Teachers, we like the white mode or the light mode because we can see your writing. Remember that most typing is in black ink and any writing is in black ink. So if you go to the little three tabs in the back where it says settings and more, click on the settings, options. Here you can see color. So you have, I'm in light. If you go to dark, you can see the dark mode. All right. So when we go into our intro where we are typing, you can see how hard it is for me to read this. I don't know that it's there. If you use dark mode, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to change the color of your font. Okay. So when you change, if you change the color, then I can see different colors that you use. But if you use black on dark mode, I cannot read it. So you have to use colors if you're using dark mode. If you're using dark mode to work, and then what you can do is you can simply always just help me out by going to options and go to light mode. Okay. Now I notice that I can read everything. So keep that in mind. If you're using black on dark mode, we cannot see it.